once again welcome to my channel Magic English for Kids. Today now I am going to teach you about gender. What is gender? We can classify human being or animal, any living person into male and female. Then some are coming under common and which are non-living, they are coming under neutral gender or neutral. So here that is masculine, which refers to that male person or male kind of animals or male kind. You can simply say that is male kind, and female that is feminine. It is known as feminine. Suppose I am talking about a boy, man, father, husband, they are all coming under masculine. They don't correspond to feminine activities. Okay, I can here say that girl, or you can say that girl or woman or lady or lady. Simply I can say this one coming under feminine. Common, both they are, that can be treated both feminine as well as masculine. Whenever I am going to talk about a person, child, neighbor, okay, then you can say about enemy. When you are talking about a pupil or student, that is coming under common noun. Common is common gender, not common noun, that is common gender. So it represents both feminine as well as masculine. Neuter, it relates to non-living thing like table, chair, wood. That is coming under neuter gender. As well as certain animals. When you are treating certain animals, it is also coming under insect. We cannot classify as feminine or masculine. At that time, generally we use neuter gender. When it is common, that is child. Common gender is child. Then you can say guest. You can say that guest or enemy, neighbor. Neighbor, all are coming under common gender. Okay, let me classify this one, and some of the common feminine and as well as masculine we use in day-to-day life, like father, mother, daughter, son, then boy, girl, then you can say grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife. Then these are the very common things we generally use in our day-to-day life, and we know this one. But some certain things we do not know or very rarely used in our life. Let's cover that one. Okay. Let's see what is that. What is the feminine of those things which we do not generally use? What is that? Again, we can classify that is masculine and feminine. Okay. I am writing here masculine and here feminine. What is the masculine of? You can say bachelor. If you say bachelor, that is spinster. That is spinster. Okay, that is spinster. When you are talking about sheep, that is sheep is common. Sheep is common. Here I can say sheep is common. Sheep, ram is male, Ewe is female. Then when I am talking about common, that is pig. Boar is male, and show, that is feminine. Okay. When I am talking about horse, that is common, but stallion and mare. When I am talking about foal, that is colt is male, and filly is female. Okay. All this we know it about it, that the bachelor, spinster, ram, that is sheep, ram. Then Ewe, pig, that is male form is boar and show. Then when horse, that is stallion and then mare. When I am talking about, let me this do again. This is a very small board, so I have to manage this one. So whenever I am using deer, okay, deer is common, or you can say stag. Stag is hind. Okay. Then you can say that is gander. Gander, that is goose. Whenever I'm using drake, that is duck, feminine. Drone, or you can say bee always feminine. Okay. Lad, लड़का छोटा सा बच्चा, lad, that is lash. These are very rare things we use in rare way. Okay. And deer का हो सकता है, doe भी हो सकता है. Okay. Let me do this again. Okay. बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं हम लोग जैसे कि you can use in different ways. Okay. All is okay. Then you can all. That's not all. Okay. Okay. Whenever I'm writing here, different masculines are here. Landlord, landlord, landlady, lady, wizard, wizard, witch. Okay. Then fox, vixen, then dog, bitch. Okay. These are the words used for masculine as well as feminine. Okay. Then let me write once again. Then I will write for you. What shall I write here? Suppose I have to write that is male and female is so many language that billy goat. I have to write billy goat, and that is nanny goat. Okay, billy goat, nanny goat. He goat. We can write she goat. He goat, she goat. Then we can write, what shall I write here? Okay, bullock, heifer. Okay, bull, cow. Okay, bride is groom, not bridegroom. Bridegroom, bridegroom. You can write here bride. So many masculine and feminines are there and lots of number are there.